It's all loved ones. It's all friends. There's some people here that came from afar, searching for something that they need.
Have really deep, meaningful, expansive experiences that remind us why we're alive. Playing with the energies of vulnerability, letting go a little bit, being revealed, just letting yourself be revealed and seen.
Some practices that we do in the morning as a way of connecting to this aina, to this land.
Kahikina, ayakala, yalae.
Move with your breath. Hanu. Ha. Oh, dragon, lift it still. Lift the hip, chest follows. Big weight. Waving the spine. Calling it in.
Deep release here. So go slow. Deep breaths to let the energy move, to unlock any holding patterns. Here. Really feeling that I am, if you say that mantra to yourself, just feeling that power up.
So two people are doing it together. There's a support there that makes something.
So what I started doing is I was saying, I am not without love. I am not without it. So
Yeah,
I just
it's
kind of
common.
twisted it around to, but it was fun because it was a different muscle for me to use, right? I can say I am loved feels very different in my body than saying I am not without love.
Right. Right. Yeah. So the goal of that practice is simply to dissolve the lines of polarity with extremes, right? And to lead us into the middle path, right? Of just simply being. All the things that we are.
Yeah, there's nothing tugging at you or pulling at you.
Happy birthday to
Feeling their wish and their vision amplified, feeling it manifest, just blast. If it feels fun.
Support.
Yeah.
So my intention for today, I know I shared my intention for this week, but is to give and receive love really deeply today.
I want to be me. I'm not a huge dancer, but how do I express myself when I feel uncomfortable? Just see what pops up. And I do like to move my body too, so. But I also like to control the music. Can I bring my own playlist? We're gonna play some Bob Marley and some 80s music.
We'll let you DJ at our own time.
That's my music. Bye. But yeah, thank you. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
We gotta do the energy call.
Ikamuana. Kamuana hohoni. Pi'i kalava. Kalava nu'u. Ikahikina. Ayakala. Eala'i.
Kahikina.
Kahikina.
Ayakala.
Ayakala.
Hey Allah, hey.
Ayala, ay.
Make a play on joyfulness.
I have a lot of fairies
Yep. Yeah, your whole field is like
and gnomes.
tingly.
I have a lot of gnomes.
Soaking up Pele. Pele's chi. The warm chi.
Michael looks like the big kahuna. He's like, this is my people, this is my
Yeah.
clan. You gotta get through me to get to them.
We would separate ourselves from everyone. We chose our parents, we chose our road of life, we chose our trials and tribulations. So when we came here as babies. So living God us to give us joy. I give my door the physical door, mental door, the second one, because once you go over the second one, then you're over the hump. But before then, you're like, I want to get out of here.
Exchanges, open, message, intentions. Next question is always, what's most important for me to know, to receive right now? Any guidance in this moment to help me in my path?
Kind of a gypsy in a lot of places, but I found home here.
I'm here just to make some kind of contribution after the island has given me so much in the last few days of healing and peace, joy, stillness, gratitude, even love for all the faces that I'm looking at. And so my hope is just to make some kind of giving back, just to touch something and leave it better than I found it.
Thank you.
It's a balance between, well, if it wasn't for our efforts, none of it would remain. And, and we're working towards now another 10 years before we can reestablish that shade that, will really give more, integrity to the forest. So you'll notice in your planting, in your work today, and you can smell past the whole plant around. So you can smell the plant. It's called kukai maile. Kukai is shit.
We call it maile pilau, stinky maile.
Yeah. And this is
Smell
Yeah,
the kukai.
that one's thinner.
But you'll notice if you look in the
It's not stinky.
Smell the roots.
The roots.
Once you pull it up, you smell it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
There it is.
Okay, bye-bye, Kid
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
Do you want to just
Oh,
make this the pile?
Be here for a minute.
I like.
Nicely done, nicely done. Woo.
Here's to the unfurling of our possibilities.
Oh yeah. Find the light.
Lots of abundance in there.
Working on his other baby.
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
I love you so much. Empty at the bottom of the exhale. Stay full at the top of the inhale for just a few moments, longer than you think is possible.
our breath. We inhale to store chi. We exhale, fully unlock. We activated our sound, our voice, preparing us maybe for more silence today. And now let's unlock our bodies. The wisdom, organic, innate flow that we all carry within us.
Slap it.
Yeah.
Slap her. I apologize.
That's so cool.
I wonder what the
It's all the spores. It has these bright white spores.
Wow.
So you're basically doing a spore imprint on it.
Yeah, in connection to all the guides, guardians, loved ones, ancestors on the core. All of our star family, all the different beings of light assisting, supporting us in this journey. All the time, always, especially here. To benefit all land, animals, beings, humans, grading spaces, anything that you want to use your energy for, intentionally enhancing your ability to create consciously with your presence.
Alright, look at our beautiful chefs at Kamek preparing our lunch. Oh my goodness, look at this beautifulness. Ah, so much gratitude for these amazing humans. How's it taste, Mike? Very good.
Look at it. Can I break it up?
so I can see my brother.
There you go. Is that where
Taki taki moon key. De la selva, taki taki moon key. Bobinsana medicina, taki taki moon key.
Okay. So my menu is I would like to continue to bring in this year with more ease, more flow.
Locations for healing or touch if you're guided.
7.
No tuning fork, please.
No, only upon request. So.
Just remembering all these transmissions, like you're different. So how are you moving through the world differently now? You can't go back. You won't be the same. Nothing will be the same.